Waking up or getting reminders without loud sounds can make a big difference, especially if you don't want to disturb others around you. That's where a silent alarm on your Apple Watch becomes incredibly useful. Instead of ringing, your watch gently taps your wrist using haptic feedback, giving you a private and subtle alert that only you can feel. Many users don't realize this feature exists or assume it's complicated to set up, but it's actually very simple once you know where to look. Whether you're using it for early mornings, meetings, or daily reminders, a silent alarm helps you stay on track without any noise. Once you set it up properly, it becomes one of those features you'll rely on every day without even thinking about it. Try these. Step 1. Press the digital crown and open the Alarms app on your Apple Watch. Step 2. Tap Add Alarm and set your desired time. Step 3. Make sure your Apple Watch is in silent mode. Step 4. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics, and ensure haptic alerts are enabled. Step 5. Increase haptic strength for a stronger vibration if needed. Step 6. Save the alarm and wear your watch snugly on your wrist.